struggling to remember everything you study? Here's a study hack you absolutely need to know. Part 1. It's called the Feynman Technique, and it's a game changer for truly understanding a topic, not just memorizing it. Here's how it works. First, pick a concept you want to learn. Let's say it's the process of photosynthesis. Next, pretend you're teaching it to a child. Explain it in the simplest terms possible, using simple language and analogies. As you explain, you'll quickly notice gaps in your own understanding. That's step 3. Identify those gaps. Go back to your study materials and fill them in until you can explain the concept smoothly. Finally, review and simplify your explanation even more. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. This method forces you to break down complex information and rebuild it in your own words, making it stick. Give it a try for your next exam. Want to learn another powerful study method? Part 2 is coming tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.